Hey, what's up everyone? It's JTECH and welcome back to the channel. So Epomaker is trying to revive the HHKB keyboard, and that is really interesting because we all know that we rarely see this kind of keyboard anymore, right? Now, without being said, let's go ahead and check it out. Well, I am not here to tell you about the history of the HHKB layout, but it all started somewhere in Japan and it's being used mainly for programming and ethical hacking. I put the link in the description if you want to know more about the history of HHKB layout. So, the Hack59 is a true HHKB layout keyboard. As a fan of compact keyboards, I was super excited to try it out. I've owned three of them before, the Acco ACR59, KB Defense D60 Lite, and the other one is a custom build. Typing on them has always been a pleasure and I enjoyed my time using them. It comes with just one color variant, but you can either choose between Flamingo or Wisteria linear switch. The build quality is still solid even if the case is just a plastic material. And this one reminds me a lot of the Sea-Doo QK61 that I have reviewed before. From the build quality and the typing sound, they are almost the same. Anyway, it's got a good weight to it, still giving you that premium feel right out of the box. The Hack59 is so compact and easy to carry and supports both 3 and 5 pin switches. And of course, it's a hot swap. It works with Mac or Windows and other mobile devices. It features tri-mode connectivity with a 3000 mAh battery capacity. Really great if you are always on the go. Typing on the Hack59 is smooth and bouncy thanks to its gasket-mounted design. Inside, you'll find 5 layers of sound dampening and it uses a PC plate, which makes the typing sound poppy, creamy, or even marbly, depending on how you describe it. Here's a quick typing sound test. Both switches sounded great, but personally, I'd go with the Flamingo switch. I really like the design of the keycaps. It's more on the classic or retro side, and that's the way it should be. Take note that HHKB layout is different from 60% layout. The spacebar and alt keys are longer. You'll need a keycap set with lots of modifiers if you plan to change it. Stabilizers are above average and the spacebar needs relubing. By far, this is the best feature of the Hack59. It's a VIA or QMK compatible. It means you can fully customize this keyboard from scratch. There are lots of VIA tutorial out there, but you just need to learn the basics like remapping, swapping and assigning keys, etc. And if you're a programmer, you can do macros with this keyboard. So, who is this keyboard for? If you're looking to try a different layout or want a compact keyboard that is good for coding or programming or even just for typing and browsing, I wouldn't suggest it for gaming because the layout is not designed for playing games. The Hack59 is a solid option. At just $69.99 or here in the Philippines it's 4,000 pesos, it's an affordable entry-level HHKB layout mechanical keyboard for sure. And that's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're planning to get one, go check the links in the description or visit epomaker.com for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more keyboard reviews. See you in the next one. Bye for now.